This is exactly what 9 years of passive ETF investing looks like. Over the last 9 years, I've been consistently putting money into the market, and today, I'm breaking down the most important lessons I've learned, including some incredibly painful mistakes I made early on that cost me thousands of dollars. Whether you are just starting out with $10 or you've been investing for years, these lessons will save you time, money, and a massive amount of stress. Plus, we're going to look at my actual returns and exactly where my portfolio stands right now in 2026. Lesson 1. Staying invested is harder than it looks. Lesson number 1. Staying invested is way harder than it looks. It's easy to say you have diamond hands when the market is green and hitting all-time highs. But when the market crashes, the headlines say a recession is coming, and your portfolio is deep in the red, that is when panic sets in. The biggest mistake you can make is selling at the bottom. Your wealth isn't built in the green days, it's protected by staying calm during the red ones. Lesson 2. There will always be a reason not to invest. Lesson number 2. There will always be a reason not to invest. If you wait for the perfect economic conditions, you will be waiting forever. In the last 9 years, we've had inflation scares, interest rate hikes, and endless predictions of a market crash. If I had listened to the doom-scrolling news, I would have kept my money in cash and missed out on hundreds of % of compounding growth. Stop waiting. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is today. Lesson 3. Automation beats motivation. Lesson number 3. Automation always beats motivation. Relying on your willpower to manually invest money every single week or month doesn't work. Life happens, you get busy, you want to buy shoes, or you look at a bad market day and decide to skip a month. The cheat code: automate it. Set up a recurring deposit on apps like Robinhood or Acorns. Let the money transfer on payday before you even have a chance to spend it. Out of sight, out of mind, into the market. Lesson 4. Complexity is the enemy of consistency. Lesson number 4. Complexity is the enemy of consistency. When I started, I thought I needed a complex portfolio, 10 different individual stocks, 3 tech funds, and some crypto. It was exhausting to track. What I learned is that a simple, boring portfolio beats a complex one. Putting your money into just 1 or 2 broad market ETFs like VU or SPY, which track the 500 biggest companies in the US, gives you instant diversification without the headache. Lesson 5. Your savings rate matters more than your ETF choice. Lesson number 5. Your savings rate matters way more than your specific ETF choice. Beginners waste months arguing over whether VU is better than SPY or VTI. The truth: they all perform incredibly similarly. What actually moves the needle is how much money you can consistently feed into the machine. Focus 10% of your energy on picking the fund, and 90% of your energy on increasing your income and raising your savings rate. Lesson 6. Dividends are mostly psychological. Lesson number 6. Dividends are mostly psychological. When you see a dividend check hit your account, it feels like free money. But remember, when a company pays a dividend, its stock price drops by that exact amount. For long-term wealth building, especially in the early stages, focusing entirely on high dividend yields can actually slow down your total capital growth. Focus on total return, not just dividend payouts. Lesson 7. Boring is good. Lesson number 7. Boring is good. True, wealth building investing should be as exciting as watching paint dry. If you are getting an adrenaline rush from your portfolio, you are gambling, not investing. The goal isn't to hit a home run on a penny stock, the goal is to consistently hit singles with reliable index funds over a decade. Lesson 8. Your emergency fund protects your strategy. And finally, lesson number 8. Your emergency fund protects your strategy. The number one reason long-term investing plans fail is because life happens. Your car breaks down, or you face an unexpected bill, and suddenly you're forced to liquidate your stocks at a loss just to pay for it. A liquid, high-yield cash emergency fund is the shield that keeps you from ever having to touch your investments. Outro. 9 years ago, I started with just pocket change. Today, it's a wealth machine. If you want to start your own journey today, check out the links below for the best free investing apps in the US. Drop a comment letting me know how long you've been investing, and subscribe to Mr. Telomark for more real, honest financial breakdowns. See you in the next video.